We are here today for a very singular purpose, expressing our dissatisfaction towards the government having reneged on the issues that we had agreed with them before. Over the court order so far, as Nyamira County, we are not aware. We have not been served. We are waiting for the clear direction from our Secretary General. Once he declares the strike, as they did so, that the strike is ongoing, we are here in solidarity of all the teachers of this country to express our dissatisfaction. One of the reasons why we are disappointed, I like dealing with the statistics. If you take a case of a member of parliament who gets a medical allowance of 10 million, we are 331,000 teachers in this country with about 11 billion from our 21 billion medical allowance. When you translate that into per teacher, it is roughly 1,000 Kenya shillings in a year because of our numbers, which means it is unfair. We are not lesser human beings. We are saying clearly that this government must heed to the call and the issues that we have put on the table. Besides that, our interns, it is money that was set aside. We are therefore indicating very strongly that they must be converted to permanent and pensionable terms. Today, as we speak, we are saying the teachers who are on acting capacity, they should be given an allowance. If our Teacher Service Commission had not stagnated so many of us, today those teachers will be substantially appointed and earning the same as a substantially appointed deputy and principal. And therefore, we are very firm and insisting that all the items that we put into the table, they must be heeded to. TSC, the government, must listen to us and ensure they are irreducible to us. They must be effected.
Kuppet, Nyamira. I want to join my branch chairman to confirm to the teachers across the country that our strike is on and it's legally protected. Before I mention a few of our demands, I have issues with the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Education, Mr. Ogamba. Mr. Ogamba, I want to tell you that if Kuppet cannot speak for intern teachers, who else can do it for them? It is our responsibility as a union to speak on behalf of our intern teachers. If in any case the government imagines that they'll have teachers on contractual basis so that there will be no one to speak on their behalf, I want to tell the government firmly today from Nyamira that we as Kuppet, we are not going back to class until our brothers and sisters in JSS have been confirmed into permanent and pensionable. Secondly, I want to remind the Teacher Service Commission that this is a creation by the teachers and it was put in the 2010 Constitution to take care of the welfare of the teachers of this country. Because TSC has failed its mandate to take care of the welfare of teachers, the teachers across the country, we have decided to go on strike to remind the Teacher Service Commission that their mandate is to take care of us. Our irreducible minimum demands before the strike is called off. Number one, confirm all the 46,000 JSS teachers into permanent and pensionable. Number two, they fully implement the 2021-2025 CBA that was negotiated and given by the President of Kenya. I dare to say, if they cannot implement that CBA, then they'll confirm to the Kenyans that our President is a liar. Because he does not honor. Number three, teachers of this country are supposed to have a comprehensive medical cover. As we speak, Parliament allocated 11 billion instead of the 21 billion that is supposed to give teachers a comprehensive medical cover. Without that money being released, teachers will not go back to school. Number three,
Secretary General chama cha walimu cha Kuppet Nyamira branch. Nataka kusema hivi, walimu wa sekondari tuko na job groups 10, C1, C2, C3 mpaka sijui ni D5, 10. Yani kusonga from one job group to another is a nightmare. Saa hii watu wamezeeka wakiwa C3. Watu walifanya interviews 130,000 hawakuwa promoted. Tunataka TSC ipromote walimu na hiyo majob group kuwe reduce, tukue hata na C4 and D1 peke yake. That is our demand. Number 2, wanafunzi walimu wetu wa JSS wameteseka sana. Au walimu hata kuenda shule ni changamoto. 17,000 pesa kidogo sana. Tunataka serikali iwa confirm immediately. Hiyo ujinga tunasikia kwamba ni January. We don't condone that. Saa hii kwa sababu walipewa pesa 18 billion ilikuwa budgeted for. Iko wapi? Tunataka hiyo pesa saa hii. Kama sio saa hii ni sasa hivi.
Mwalimu ongea pia. Mwalimu